I'm Dr. Asim, and if you've ever wondered whether the foods on your plate can truly make a difference as you grow older, I want you to hear this. Many people over the age of 50 are frightened by the word cancer. You may have watched countless videos, read confusing articles, or heard dramatic claims that one special food can eliminate disease overnight. I understand why that sounds appealing, especially when you want to protect yourself or someone you love. But today, I want to give you something much more valuable than false hope. I want to give you knowledge you can trust. Your body is changing with age, but that does not mean it has stopped working for you. Every single day, your immune system, your circulation, and your nervous system are communicating with one another to repair damage, remove unhealthy cells, and keep your organs functioning. You're not weak. Your body is adapting. This is your body communicating, not failing. The choices you make each day, especially the foods you eat, can support these natural processes. In a moment, I'll show you why 5 everyday nutrition habits can help reduce chronic inflammation, support healthy circulation, and provide your cells with nutrients they need to function well. Understanding how these foods work may completely change the way you think about eating as you age. One of the biggest misunderstandings is the idea that there is a single superfood capable of stopping cancer by itself. Science simply doesn't support that. Cancer is a complex group of diseases influenced by genetics, aging, lifestyle, environmental exposures, and many other factors. However, researchers have consistently found that long-term eating patterns rich in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, healthy fats, and other minimally processed foods are associated with better overall health and, in many cases, a lower risk of developing certain cancers. As we get older, our circulation naturally becomes less efficient. Blood vessels may become stiffer, and the delivery of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body can slow. At the same time, the immune system changes, making it more important than ever to provide your body with the nutrients it needs. Colorful vegetables, berries, beans, nuts, seeds, and healthy fats contain vitamins, minerals, fiber, and plant compounds that help your cells respond to everyday stress. These foods don't perform miracles, but together they help create an environment that supports your body's normal repair systems. I also want you to remember that your digestive system plays an important role in your health. The trillions of beneficial bacteria living in your gut influence inflammation, immunity, and even communication with your nervous system. Feeding those helpful bacteria with fiber-rich foods may improve digestion and support overall well-being, especially as you age. The goal isn't perfection. You don't need an expensive diet or rare ingredients from the other side of the world. Small, consistent choices repeated day after day often have a greater impact than dramatic changes that are impossible to maintain. Replacing one processed snack with fresh fruit, adding vegetables to dinner, or choosing beans a few times each week may seem simple, but over months and years, those decisions add up. Comment below with your age and the healthy habit you found most helpful for taking care of your body. One of the first foods I encourage many of my patients to eat more often is leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, collard greens, and similar greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and natural plant compounds that help your body function at its best. As you grow older, your blood vessels and tissues need steady support. These vegetables provide nutrients that contribute to healthy circulation and help your cells carry out their normal repair processes. They are not a cure for cancer, but they are an important part of an eating pattern linked with better long-term health. I also want you to think about the color of your plate. Deep red tomatoes, bright orange carrots, purple cabbage, blueberries, and colorful peppers each contain different protective plant compounds. Nature rarely puts everything you need into a single food. Instead, she spreads those nutrients across many different fruits and vegetables. When you regularly eat a variety of colors, you're giving your body a broader range of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support healthy aging. In the next part, I'm going to explain why one common food found in many kitchens has attracted scientific interest because of its natural compounds, and how you can include it in your meals without expecting unrealistic results. Another powerful habit is choosing whole grains and beans more often than refined carbohydrates. Foods like oats, brown rice, lentils, black beans, and chickpeas release energy more gradually than sugary snacks or highly processed foods. That steady release helps maintain more stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. It also provides the fiber your digestive system needs. Remember, your gut is home to trillions of helpful bacteria that communicate with your immune system. When those bacteria are well nourished, they produce substances that support the lining of your intestines and contribute to overall health. Healthy fats deserve attention as well. Many people became afraid of fat years ago, but we now understand that the type of fat matters. Foods such as extra virgin olive oil, walnuts, almonds, flax seeds, and fatty fish like salmon provide nutrients that support the heart, blood vessels, and brain. Healthy circulation is especially important as we age because every organ depends on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. When your circulation is working well, every part of your body benefits. I also want you to remember that eating slowly can be just as important as what you eat. Your digestive system changes with age, and rushing through meals may lead to discomfort or overeating. Taking time to chew thoroughly allows your body to begin digestion properly and gives your brain time to recognize when you're comfortably full. These simple habits may seem small, but they become powerful when practiced consistently over many years. Many people ask me whether supplements can replace healthy meals. For most people, the answer is no. Whole foods contain thousands of natural compounds that work together in ways scientists are still discovering. A balanced meal provides much more than isolated vitamins in a capsule. Whenever possible, build your health around nutritious foods first and use supplements only when they are appropriate for your individual needs. I want you to hear this clearly. Your body is working for you every single day. Even if you've made unhealthy choices in the past, positive changes today can still support your overall health. You're not trying to achieve perfection. You're building habits that help your body adapt, recover, and function as well as possible for years to come. Tell me in the comments which of these healthy eating habits you plan to start this week. As we come to the end of our conversation, I want to leave you with one message that I hope stays with you long after this video is over. Your health is not determined by a single meal, a single day, or even a single year. It is shaped by the choices you make over time. Every healthy meal, every walk you take, every good night's sleep, and every effort to care for your body is another step towards supporting your overall well-being. Many people believe that getting older means their body is destined to fail. I don't want you to carry that fear. Aging certainly brings changes, but your body continues working hard to protect you every single day. Your immune system is constantly identifying damaged cells. Your circulatory system is delivering oxygen and nutrients where they're needed. Your nervous system is coordinating countless processes without you even thinking about them. These systems may become less efficient with age, but they do not stop working. They deserve your support, not your disappointment. I want you to hear this. If you or someone you love is facing cancer, remember that good nutrition is one important part of overall care, but it is not a replacement for medical treatment. Eating a balanced diet can help support strength, energy, and recovery during treatment, while also benefiting your heart, muscles, brain, and digestive system. The goal is not to search for miracle foods. The goal is to give your body the nourishment it needs to function as well as possible. You may not be able to control every health challenge that comes your way, but you can influence many of the habits that affect your future. Filling your plate with colorful vegetables and fruits, choosing whole grains, including beans, nuts, healthy fats, and lean sources of protein, staying physically active within your abilities, drinking enough water, managing stress, and keeping regular appointments with your healthcare team all work together to support healthy aging. None of these habits is dramatic on its own, but together they create a powerful foundation for lifelong health. If you've spent years believing it's too late to make a difference, I hope today's discussion has changed your mind. The human body has an incredible ability to adapt. Positive changes made today can still improve your quality of life tomorrow. You don't have to be perfect. You simply have to be consistent. One healthy choice leads to another, and over time, those choices become the habits that help you live with greater strength, confidence, and independence. Thank you for spending these moments with me. I'm Dr. Asim, and it has been my privilege to share this information with you. My greatest hope is that you leave this video feeling informed instead of frightened, empowered instead of overwhelmed, and confident that caring for your body each day is one of the most valuable investments you can make in your future. If you found this discussion helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. Your support helps us continue bringing reliable, easy-to-understand health education to more people every week.